what does Ellen DeGeneres, Will Smith, Kevin Hart, even Cardi B all have in common? Look at that beach. Now come back, listen. They all do one thing: meditate. Now I know a lot of you don't believe me, right? Who am I, Wesley, billion-dollar virgin? And guess what? You can skip this video or you can get the link right now. But listen to me closely. Until you change your mindset, you can't change your life. You're on YouTube because you're trying to waste time because you're bored. But while you're watching me and other people get rich, why not you? I'm gonna leave you with this. You can click the link below and get the meditation that changed my life, or you can move on. Listen, in life, you don't get what you want out of life. You get what you picture. Ram that into the back of your brain. And as you decide to move forward, get the meditation, I'll keep going through the video. Let's go!